Hey everyone, it's been a while since I released a video. As some of you may know, I lost my lease of 17 years on our warehouse space where I've been doing all this crazy Tesla stuff and just been able to save a lot of money because the rent was relatively affordable compared to other property here in the Bay Area, and things are getting crazy here. So I recently found a new place. I'm gonna have to build a shop. It's the only way I can afford to do it. So in the next few months here I'm moving, which is a monumental task because I've accumulated so much stuff in those 17 years. So I've got to sell a lot of it, throw away a lot of it, and then move what's left, store it, and then begin building a new shop on the land that I'm enclosing on right now. And then hopefully I'll be able to start making cool videos again. In the meantime, everything that I need to sell to raise money to build the new shop. So I'm selling my beloved Model S P90D with Ludicrous. It's listed on eBay right now, and I thought I would give you guys a video tour of it so you can check it out, and hopefully I can raise enough money to begin building the shop. Anyway, here it is. So here's the interior. I have high resolution pictures on the eBay listing. Here's the outside. So if you're interested in purchasing a low miles P90D with Ludicrous, the eBay auction is in my description, and happy bidding, and I hope to talk to you all soon.